Hello guys. Hello guys. Welcome to this presentation. We are going to do something on Surds, and this is about rationalizing the denominator. This is the question that we have: simplify by rationalizing the denominator. In this case, we want to give the solution to this question. Anytime we rationalize the denominator, then we must remember something to do with the conjugate. That is, we are going to change the sign in the denominator part, and then after that we multiply what we have obtained on both the denominator and the numerator side. So like in this case, the conjugate for 2 Surd 3 minus Surd 2, we are going to change the negative sign here, and then we multiply by 2 Surd 3 plus Surd 2. So having changed this sign, now this is what we call the conjugate, or over 2 Surd 3 plus 2 plus Surd 2. So the next thing that we are going to do, we want to deal with the numerator part and the denominator part. In this case, these 3 we have here, we are going to multiply with everything that is on this other hand. So we have 3, we multiply by, this is a bracket here, 2 Surd 3 plus Surd 2, and then on the denominator part, we do the same. It is 2 root 3, we multiply by 2 root 3 plus root 2, then minus Surd 2, we multiply by 2 Surd 3 plus Surd 2. I want us to remember something that says anytime we have something like this, we multiply by a root, we are going to remain with the value only. So that is what we are going to use. Also, the difference of two squares, whereby we have a minus b, we multiply by a plus b. This one is going to give us a squared minus b squared, the difference of two squares. We are also going to use this formula. So under the numerator part, we multiply. We are going to get 2, you multiply by 3, it is going to give you 6. And then of course, root 3 plus, this is like now 1 here, before the root is the same as 1. So it's like 2, you multiply by 1, 3, you multiply by 1, it is going to give you 3 root 2. Or over the numerator part, we are going to use this thing. You realize that we have got 2 root 3 minus 2, and then we have 2 root 3 plus 2. It follows the same root, So we are just going to square this first part, and then we square the second part. We retain the negative. So it is going to be 2 root 3. We square this, then minus root 2. We square this. So this one will give us 6 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Then when we square this, when we square 2, it will give us 4. And then the square of root 3 will follow this root here. When we square, we remain with the value in the square root. So we are going to remain with 3. So we multiply by 3. And then we minus. When we square this, it is going to follow the same root, so we are going to remain with the 2. We continue. The numerator is 6 root 3. The numerator is 6 root 3, and then plus 3 root 2, then all over 4 times 3, it will give us 12, and then minus 2, which is going to give us 6 root 3 plus 3 root 2, or over 10. We can write this by saying that our final answer is going to be 6 root 3. We divide by 10 and then plus 3 over 10 root 3. So 2 goes here, 2 goes here 3 times, 2 goes here 5 times. So our final answer, in fact, is going to be, 3 over 5. 3 over 5, we have root 3, then plus 3 root 3 over 10 over 10 over 10 root 2. Yes, I'm sorry, this is 3 root 2, 3 root 2 over 10, 3 root 2 over 10. And also here it is root 2, not 3. This root 2, not 3, root 2 and then 10. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and share this video to as many of your friends as possible, and continue watching. I will be dropping more content of the same nature. Thank you so much.